There is a horse here. Normally, last night I saw him tied up, but I didn't know that he's open today. See, नहीं कर रहा है horse. Yeah, नहीं कर रहा है horse. And you see, there is a different hen. See, it's a different color. It's grey. Can you see? Is that a cock or also another hen? It's our car parked. Then we have so many birds in there as well. Then we have our duck here. Hi, ducky. Duck. There's a pathway from here also to go up to the reception. What do we have in here? Oh, there's a cat. See, there's a cat, Leo. See? Meow. Oh, the cat has a bathtub and a house to play and sleep. Phone कहाँ जाएगा cat?
नहीं चाटी.
Are you a cat?
കാണിക്ക് എന്നാ വേണ്ട കാണിക്ക് എന്നാ വേണ്ടത് ഫുഡ് വേണോ ഫുഡ് വേണോ She shows if she hungry if I come over she makes sound.
The horse came out.
The horse has come and it'll do nay nay. Leah, you wait. No, Leah, go slow. हाँ वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ अंकल का है all of us. Yeah, wait. अरे there's a different color one here.
वो टर्की है
वो टर्की है.
She's sick. She does. What she do is she will come and keep her head on my chest. Then I know she has something. So I'll ask her here.
Oh, she doesn't have one eye. Yeah. मोटिया बिंदु she is.
See? Look at mine.
Hairstyle.
Look at that. The beauty in your character. I have a chair over there. If anybody sit on the chair, she bites you. If I'm not there, they keep the chair somewhere else.
Somewhere else.
Because unknowingly somebody sit, right? Other than that, she don't do anything to you. So now bite.
No, one eye she got cataract. So she can't see from one eye. She can only see from one eye. Sad, no?
I got a years back when I started. I have a racehorse. Oh, that you won't even come closer to.
She's short, no?
She's short.
How old is she?
She's 3 years now.
3 years old.
It's all, she broke all this things. But they all okay because they've seen everything. When the Onam is a festival, so I buy a new dress for them. Look like that.
Oh,
Cody.
वो बता रही है मैं कौन हूँ.
Cody.
Rabbit looks like a mouse to you. You saw rabbit this time in village, right? You don't know what's a rabbit? See, that's it. Geese. There's so many rabbits, so many colors.
What's this? Don't you like this? I want a mouse. What's this? Mota goose.
मोटा मोटा goose, geese. Hi. Oh, this one is sleeping, being lazy. One is here. Hello. Uh-oh. Hi. Uh-oh. Hi. Oh. Hi, cutie. Oh, I feel sad. They can't jump out of the cage. So sad. Oh, you'll get hurt. Hi. Uh-oh. We have multicolored birds here. So many colors. I don't know if you can really see. Yeah, so many.
Oi, Darky. Bruce. You're not Bruce. Why did you turn?
Because dogs turn. Bruce and Lee or what? Bruce Lee fighting.
Bruce and Darky.
Darky.
Oh,
Stand. मस्त खेल रहे दोनों.
That one? How old is that?
This is Sania's. You know what?
Riya, you
what
stand.
I give? I only give raw meat.
Oh. तभी पूरा big.
No other.
No boiled.
Go. Okay. Huh? He's very strong.
Looks like
He
it.
breaks the chain.
Oh.
Right? He breaks the chain. This all you can break it very easily.
No, size देखो ही दिख रहा है.
Just look at it.
बेटा ले जाएंगे अकेले बाहर.
और डार्की के कूदने से कैट की ये हालत है. ये वहाँ बैठी थी, वहाँ से यहाँ चढ़ के इस कोने में. बेटा डर लग रहा है? डर लग रहा है बेटा? हाउस के ऊपर चढ़ गई तुम? Are you scared? Are you scared?
ये तो आ भी रहे थे गिरा के मुझे.
Are you scared? They're always together.
इसको बांधा गया।
ओनली ब्रूस को बांधने का जरूरत है. ब्रूस साथ में चल रहा है, डार्की पीछे विल फॉलो. द मोस्ट लॉयल एनिमल, डॉग.
He will take me. Where do you want to go? Come with me.
अरे ब्रूस गया, मुझे भी जाना है.
डाकी. क्या
पत्थर से खेलेगा?
पत्थर खाएगा?
पत्थर से खेलो.
पत्थर खाएगा।
गुड. वो उधर गया है बोलने के लिए.
कि उसको कैसे छोड़ दिया उसके साथ?
मेरे को नहीं भेजा है.
वो लीश एक्चुअली तुम्हारे लिए है. हाँ, ब्लैक इज सेलिंग. चलो ब्रूस, वापस जाएंगे. Oh, girl is copying. जब भी मैं कैमरा ऑन करूंगी तो नहीं करेगी.
सुबु. Hello सुबु.
Is her name Sugu? Is her name Girly?
नहीं सुबु पंपे का नाम है. तो
अच्छा.
इसलिए उसको I'm just trying to. चलो. Let's go.
Bye bye to this room. We are all set to leave now. Bye balcony. Last glass of watermelon juice. हमने चप्पल जूते धोए थे निकलने के पहले, वो सूख रहे हैं. Beautiful clouds. And Leah enjoying outside her watermelon juice. Finish it. Cheers. Who will finish first?
I finished.
Oh no, I still have this much. Very good, Leah. And you have a watermelon juice mustache. Love staying here. Would recommend to everybody to come and stay here because you get a
Swimming pool.
swimming pool. Leah has already seen and enjoyed.
Then, ouch! It's so hot here.
It's so hot here.
Unless there are Crocs. My Crocs are dry.
That is a friend's room.
Let's
That room
go.
somebody else is staying.
And let's go swimming. Come with me.
We are leaving now, Leah.
No, let's swim. You didn't see it.
We already saw it.
No, you didn't.
I made a video.
No, let's do the phone. Now you're making with this. Look home. Don't step on the
Sanam.
grass.
Don't step on the grass. Yes.
Step on this.
Where are your shades?
What?
Where are your shades?
Okay.
लिया और मम्मी ब्लॉगर्स बने हुए हैं आज. Oh yeah.
Now let's cross the square. Green grass.
बहुत ही सुंदर व्यू है. मतलब कल रात में हम लोग वहाँ बैठे हुए थे अंधेरे अंधेरे में. और कोई नहीं था. Just sitting there and chit-chatting. बहुत ही सुंदर रेस्टोरेंट था. पानी भी गर्म है तो ठंडी है भी ज़्यादा. हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया पानी में. We'll definitely come here again because love the animals, love the scenic view. Oh, ओनर अंकल का घर है. And this is the property. There's so many rooms. Nice cottages, clean. Staff is very nice. We definitely recommend this place to everybody.
Then we will.
Signing off from
Then we will not.
Wayanad Village Resort. Say bye.
Look at this little
Set up.
pink flower trees. See another
It's a
flower.
tree. It's a creeper.
It's
Okay,
another
say bye now. Get up.
Bye.
Bye.
And
Until next time.
And they looks. Then the one ant is going from
Say
here.
until next time.
Until next time.
Bye.
Then next.
Bye.
Bye.
Signing off from this beautiful place. Bye, guys. See ya. We are on our way back. We have reached the Nangarhole Tiger Reserve. My गाड़ी पुरानी कभी क्या एक्सीडेंट हुई है पड़ी हुई है. एंट्री अब क्योंकि अभी इलेक्शन से कर्नाटका में पूरा चेकिंग है. पुलिस हमारी भी डिक्की सब चेक होगी. टिकट लेंगे और अभी हम लोग निकलेंगे. लौटते वक्त हम लोग थोड़े दूसरे रास्ते से आए हैं. यहाँ से कबिनी बहुत पास में. You can see Kabini River Lodge, 3.5 kilometers, 5 kilometers, all that. We stopped here. मस्त हमने नारियल पानी पिया, चिप्स खाए और प्लांटेशन में हमारी गाड़ी खड़ी है इधर. काव सफारी लॉज बहुत तो आगे. काव मस्त है रहने का यहाँ पर.
जो चिप्स तुम तो सोच रही हो
अब निकलेंगे.